Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox this Wiwu Duo wireless microphone. Here is the box. Simple packaging. Let's open it and see what's inside. This is the microphone case. Inside there is two microphones. Each microphone has two buttons. One is the power microphone and this is a mute button. The strong clip. There's also a connector here, dual connector with a Type C and a lightning port, and also a Type C input. The case has a Type C input for charging the internal battery, and it does have a small screen to show the battery percentage. The range of audio it can record is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. That means it covers what the human ears can hear, so it will record exactly what your ears catch. And I am talking about the sound, not the quality of the recording. It's a 360 recording that captures audio from all angles. It uses 2.4 GHz range that gives stable connection up to 20 meters, and supports active noise cancellation that helps clean the background noise in the recording. The advertised length of the recording time is 6 hours for each mic and 30 hours in total. Let's connect the adapter to the phone and test the recording quality. First, let me put in the adapter. Now the mic is connected. It supposedly is recording my voice. Let's try it. In a wood chopping contest between a young man and an old man, the old man won. How is that possible? It happened because the old man came prepared with a sharpening stone and sharpened his axe after cutting each tree log. Power and consistency are not always the key. Neither is youth. You have to come prepared. Now, give me your opinion on the quality in the comments, please. If it's good, we will use it to record our videos on the channel. I want to try something now. Okay, now I'm talking. I don't know if it's recording or not. Now, on again. Can you hear my voice? Now I'll press the button again and see if it records. Now it's off. I'm talking. Can you hear me? When I checked the video after recording, I discovered this is the noise cancelling. This is off and this is on. When you double click the button, it mutes the recording. So controlling active noise cancellation, turning it on or off is a handy feature. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next time.